that again?
It's windy. What's going on?
Dick,
Yeah.
did you bring in the pails?
Yes, I'm going now. You gotta tell me? I know, I gotta bring in the pails. Today's Thursday. Do I tell you when to do the laundry?
Just go outside.
Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. It's like perfect timing. He knows exactly when I come out.
What's going on, buddy?
Hey, Alan, what's up?
How about this wind and this weather?
I can't hear you, Alan.
It's awful windy.
Say that again.
It's windy. What's going on? Look at this.
I know it's windy.
Oh my God! I gotta get this pail in
That's
before
why
it
the
gets
trees are moving.
Unbelievable.
Is that your pail, Alan?
I don't know whose pail that is, man.
Well, I'm gonna move it because I'm a good neighbor, you know, not like you.
Good neighbor Sam, man.
Yeah, what if somebody hits it? I got it. Nobody cares.
Shorts on, it's 30
What's that?
degrees.
Well, I was just working out. I don't feel like putting on pants.
But you're gonna get put pneumonia.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, let's go.
So I don't get the coronavirus.
We don't want no coronavirus.
No.
How about them Yankees?
What's that?
Yankees with all their injuries.
Well, they're spending too much money on the Yankees.
You know, they're still gonna win 174 games, and it's only a 162 game season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. He knows everything. Are they done working in your house?
Oh, they're done. Yeah, I had enough. I spent $7,200 to fix my toilet bowl.
What's wrong with your toilet bowl?
It was flooding or something. Who the hell knows? I tell you, I'm tired of all the stuff that goes on in these houses and weather and things.
Maybe you need more fiber. Maybe you're clogging the toilet.
Maybe I am, you know, but how's your house doing, Vic?
My house is fine. We're all done.
Yeah, really. How's Lucy?
Good.
How's
Very
Eddie
good.
the cat?
Eddie's fine.
Okay, good. When are you going away again?
Oh, this weekend I had 2 shows in Connecticut. They're sold.
I hope you have a good show this week when you go. And where's Russell?
Russell's back home in North Carolina.
Oh, is he? Okay.
Are you
Oh,
writing a
nice
fucking
talking to you,
book?
Vic.
Yeah, you too, Alan. Where you going now?
I'm probably gonna go inside for a little while and warm up. It's freaking freezing.
Yeah, it
out
is.
there.
Why don't you stay inside? It is, yeah.
All right,
How's
then.
Karen?
She's good, you know. I finally found her. Remember last week when I
Yeah.
couldn't find her and all? Yeah, she was hiding.
You were missing for a while, too.
Well, you know, it happens, you know, when,
Yeah.
you know, when things happen.
Yeah, it's a shame they found you.
Yeah.
All right, Alan.
It's been fun.
Okay.
Take care. Don't get sick.
No, I won't.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, I hope you get sick. Fucking pain in the ass. Should have moved next to an Amish family.